Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Proofpoint email protection easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Proofpoint email protection website. Log into your Proofpoint account using your credentials. Navigate to the administration section of the dashboard. Click on email protection from the available options. Select deploy to start the installation process. Review the system requirements and prerequisites needed for installation. Download the Proofpoint email protection software package. Locate the downloaded file on your computer and double-click to initiate the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Choose the desired installation directory or accept the default location. Complete any necessary configurations in the setup wizard. Enter your organization's specific details when prompted. Configure the email routing settings as per your organization's needs. Set up the policies for spam filtering and email security. Review the settings for SSL/TLS encryption and adjust if necessary. Finalize the installation by clicking on the Finish button. Reboot your server or system if required by the installation process. Once the installation is complete, log back into your Proofpoint dashboard. Verify that the email protection services are running correctly. Test the system by sending a test email to check the filtering capabilities. Monitor the logs for any warnings or errors during initial setup. Adjust the settings if any issues arise during testing. Your Proofpoint email protection is now successfully installed and configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.